I'm Greg Owens with Kiefer Manufacturing. Kiefer Manufacturing is a small family-run business in Sneedville, Tennessee, and we've been doing business with Shelby Trailer Services for several years now. Shelby Trailer Services provides an eco-friendly, recycled rubber product for the trailer industry and beyond. They provide a product that's versatile and extremely durable, and we have started using it on a variety of the trailers we build. From our horse and livestock trailers to our cargo and flatbed trailers, the products are impressive and withstand extreme conditions with their tongue and groove series of the cross lug design that you see here on this Kiefer cattleman. Kiefer Manufacturing has started using it as a standard feature on many of our models that we build today, from our popular head-to-head horse trailers and our cargo and flatbed trailers with the plank flooring design. The ease of cleaning and the traction makes these flooring systems a top choice of our customers across the country. And besides the quality of the product that Shelby produces, the level of customer service is above all others in the industry. And it's rare to find people that appreciate their customers and show it in everyday interactions. As a small business, we value the quality of the service and the products they produce. Kiefer Manufacturing considers Shelby a partner and a major asset to the trailer industry. Jay Lynn and her staff are considered members of the Kiefer family, and we will continue to use their product for many years to come. Thank you.
Hallelujah.
Thank you.